Hello and welcome everyone. So how you can download Ubuntu 18.04 LTS version. Okay, so how you can download the ISO file, how we can do that. Open the Chrome browser and go to this site. I'll mention this site in description. oldrelease.ubuntu.com releases. Okay, so slide down a little bit and you can see there are many versions here, and we have to select our 18.4. Okay, you can see there are many 18.4 versions, so you can see the last one. Okay, last one, this one. Okay, 18.4, 18.4.5. Okay, so this is the last update we have. Okay, so click on it, 18.4.5, and now slide down a little bit and you can see here this is the ISO file image. Okay, Ubuntu 18.4 desktop AMD 64 ISO. Okay, click on it, and it will ask me where I want to download, and in your case it will download directly. Okay, so just save it and keep it, and it will take little bit time, so just wait. And thank you for watching and thank you for being here. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.